Alright guys, this is how you change the washer nozzle. So mine has like, this one was missing, it was under somewhere there. So if I couldn't find this one, I was about to cut. There's one in there, like this hole connected to this one, or maybe there's like a T connection between them. I can't see it, but probably they have a T connection behind them. If they didn't have any T connection, I was about to remove this one and make a T connection. You can find a T connection hose, and then I was about to bring a hose to here, but this one has hose, so it was just missing under there, and they just didn't put the washer. I mean, it's very easy step, but yeah. Wait, is this the old one inside? Come on, man. Are you serious? I think the old one is inside. I need to cut it. I'm gonna cut it. So I'm gonna cut this one here. And let's go. Let's put this guy in. That's it. Put this in. Put it okay. So let's try. Damn right. What? Yes. Yeah, it's straight a little bit wrong because these are not tied securely, so I'm gonna get this clips. I'm gonna fix that too, but I need to order them online. I couldn't find them nearby. This one, so under there, like, there are clips, and I'm gonna put them on, then we are good to go. So this is the nozzle, 58158 181, whatever, from AutoZone. So this place is like a body shop. Everyone is fixing their cars. So alright, let's go.